the students are not able to understand, and students are not able to show the interest. That's why immediately they're shifting from humanities subjects to science and mathematics. So that's why we have to make them understand that, see how with the help of this creative thinking or critical thinking or with the help of the art integration, we have to make more interesting about our social science subject. See how that this art also helps. See, using mainly we are observed that today's morning. See, with the help of this one, how many of you understood the history of Madurai? Other than Tamilians, not from the people from here, Tamil Nadu, other than Tamil, how many of you understood today the history of Madurai? See, that is about the creation, means how we are helping the art to understand our social studies subject. Here, the STEM versus STEM. Observe now carefully here. Mainly the schools are focusing about the STEM, S-T-E-M, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So add this STEM with the art. Here, S-T-E-A-M. So it's science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. And we can do there's so many creative things we can able to understand that. See here we can able to understand. Then what is the literature review here? So what do you know about the critical thinking? See, already I told you. With the help of the critical thinking, students can able to understand critically means what is our culture, what is our history, and why we should study about this whole thing. So otherwise, see, when we are teaching about the freedom struggle, so they can have the question immediately, why we should study? Because after this, I'm going to study the MPC, I want to become an engineer. I want to become as a doctor. But here, please teach my dear teachers through critically why history is important, why our freedom struggle is important. See, through the dance forms, through the art, see, through the role play, this all the thing. Here, definitely this will going to be help. See, I observe in my own school. See, when we are teaching the freedom struggle to the class 10 students, see, we are explaining about what is importance about the Indian freedom struggle. See, my students, they wonderfully, I divided into the group. When I divide into the group, in the group, a small group, they discuss about the Indian history and they come out with very good the role play. Even slow learner has better understand what is history of Indian freedom struggle. So that is why as a teacher, I felt very happy in that day. See, when I'm teaching the social studies to the class 10s. See, why it is important? See, that's why we have to combine our teaching strategies. Even morning also, one of the renowned speaker has told that the learning is important. See, our main important thing is we have to learn, because when we are talking about the methods, so when we talk about the methodology, so nowadays we know that even morning the sir has said correctly, we are the teachers, we are not learners, but we should be a learner always. See, we are lifelong learners. When we have to learn how to integrate the art into our teaching learning process. If we integrate this art integration in the teaching learning process, definitely each and every social science, the classroom, we can make it very interesting. So that is the way even I felt, even all the classes also we observed and how we have entered. And what is the main important thing when we have done it in our school? See, the total 3 classes, we have 3 categories we have taken, the primary, middle school and high school. And primary classes we have taken as the 50 members. See, 50 children we have selected, divided into equally. Again, same thing in middle school, there are 70 also divided into 2 categories. Even high school, we are taken as 80 members, means 80 students, again we are divided into 2 categories. Means 2 groups. What are these 2 groups? One is experimental group, means mainly we are teaching with help of the art integration. And again other group, like we know that traditional method and rote memorization and all the things. But here is main important thing, we are taken equally. See, we are the Army Public School, Hyderabad. We know that heterogeneous crowd. We are taken here also children from different categories, different background. Even teachers also we are selected in that way. 12 teachers we are divided equally. The 6 and 6. 6 is experimental group and other 6 is mainly the traditional method what they are teaching. So with the help of this whole thing, every student also they learned and they started what are the mainly things to achieve it. So this is the mainly methodology we are selected into our school system. Then see, art integration strategy in social science. See, already I told you how we have to integrate with the help of the drama, role plays. See how we have started. Even morning, we have wonderful example in front of you. Even our primary school, how we have selected, a small topic, importance of water. See, importance of, don't take it the very usual primary classes, we are taken importance of water. See, even middle school, we are taken what is the festivals, monuments of India. Festivals and monument. So festivals, you know each and every chain, and they predicted what are the mainly the food they prepare at the time of festival, and what is the dress styles, and what are the culture they follow it at home. Each and every student is coming to the here classroom and they're explaining to the teacher. Even look at now, your teacher has learned so many things about that. So this is about how we can role play, we can give the chance to them. Even ma'am has given just now the music. See, after listening that music, everybody has started woke up, because some of the people, those are sleeping. So that is the power of a music. That's why add it in articulation. Music also can add it into our social studies department. Then here, when we talk about the case studies of Hyderabad, we know that. Can any one of you tell me when we got independence? Thank you so much. See, what about Hyderabad? Thank you so much. Please give a big round of applause to them. See here, what is happening? See, after the Operation Polo, the September 1948, Hyderabad has got independence. See here, we are even morning, sir has told this, our chairperson has told clearly, local culture. See, we are through the local culture, we are explaining what is importance of the Hyderabad culture, and through that one, the students has learned what is the culture of Hyderabad, and how the Operation Polo, how Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they make the Hyderabad also as a part of United, say, India. See, even mainly the music of Hyderabad, the Qawwali. Even Hyderabad people know that what is the music of Qawwali and all the things. Then even what is impact here? See, definitely this approach is help the students to better understanding. Even remember the historical event. See, if you show that, definitely we'll remember what has happened today morning. We can remember this is about the Madurai, what is the culture of Madurai, what is important. So same way, every student in our classroom can able to understand if we show this way, and this is the main important thing is. Here, what is the results? See, if you observe about the results, we found about the result. What we can, see, what did we find? See, we are observe, even I told you, slow learners also, they're able to perform the good. And what does this matter? So look at now, as a teacher, the students are performing nicely, and the students are showing the encouragement, and the students are really, they are interesting about the social studies teacher or this subject. What else we want? Why? Because nowadays, maximum of the people are going to the mathematics and the science, but they're coming to your class and they're sitting happily and involving to that. What else as a social studies teacher I want? And what did they say? Even my students in my classroom, they are very happy about that. Yes, sir, now, see, this is not a boring. It is very interesting. We want to know about the different things. See, we want to know about, look at each and every area, even when we are talking about the class 9, the social study, the rise of nationalism in Europe, entire Europe also, they spreaded the national feeling among the different, the romanticism when we are talking about, patriotic pictures we can observe, and when Frederick Sarrio's paintings of the two paintings, the first page we can able to observe. Through the painting, art integration, we can able to teach even in the world history when we are talking. Then here, what are the challenges and opportunities? So definitely when we observe about the challenges, when we observe, sometimes we can call the lack of resources. Here, definitely, sometimes we'll feel that, but as a look at the point of learners, definitely can get the opportunities. See, challenges you can overcome. The teacher training, of course, our CBS is conducting so many teacher training work through the CBE programs. We attended so many art integration projects. Definitely with the help of that, we can overcome these challenges. Here are the opportunities, professional development. See, as a teacher, as a social studies teacher, if I'm not updated myself, then I will be outdated from the society. So that is the main important thing. I have to update it myself. Say, professional development is most important. Then institutional support, definitely. If you're working for children, working for our society, working for the next generation, definitely the support will be there always. Next, when you go for the last one, when we observe about the conclusion part. What have we learned? Say, like through art integration, how the critical thinking I can observe. The why STEM is important. Already I told you, please, STEAM, STEM, like art also please include that. Then what is the call for action? Say schools should start using their strategies to create more dynamic and thoughtful learning environments. So preparing the student to face the real world challenges. So that is the most important as a social studies teachers. What we have to do is teach the students how to face the real life challenges. They should not be disappointed with the small and all the things. So that is the main. So next one, recommendations when we observe about the recommendations for the teachers. Say please start using the art integration in your social studies. I'm requesting once again all the principals here, please encourage your social studies department people, please integrate the art integration and increase the critical thinking in our students. Schools also, of course, everyone should follow it. Then policymaker already they started implementing the art integration. That's why this is the platform they provided to us today. So with the help of your all permission, I want to show you a small video. In that, what are the various activities we are conducting in our school, we want to show you. Please observe this small video.